Para sa iba pang balita, mag-log on sa www.gmanews.tv o i-follow ang GMA News sa Twitter at Facebook. Mula sa tahanan ng katotohanan, ako po si Tina Pangaliban Perez.
Ika naman, alam ko na, introducing Morning Food Bang! Sumasakit sa twisted berry at nagpapakaya ng tubig. Masarap na! Buhay na kulay with Bang!
Now with 30% more milk, the creamier taste of new cheese whiz makes. Para apurang merienda, try new milkier, creamier cheese whiz. Chocolate,
Be, si Benedict, oh.
at teddy bear, yan ang paboritong surprise sa
Ay, ice-cream po. Sige, so.
Yo. Ah,
Naiyak ba?
hindi naglalaro.
Nakadilan, hindi.
Hindi rin. Hindi dribble na yan eh.
Choose to be great. There's good coffee and there's great
Kaya
taste
magbawal
coffee.
na naman
Choose to be
mag-5
great.
minutes pa pala.
There's good coffee and there's great taste coffee.
I was attending my vitamins until I discovered Hans White News with Korean ginseng. Purifies skin for a rosy white glow and hits the powder finish you can instantly feel. Now I'm not just white, I'm rosy with Hans.
Need to say something? Say